I'm just going to let you hear her right now.
I got to pee so bad.
Watch that tree.
I'm going to pee on this tree.
Oh my God, Gabby, we're outside your house. I wish you could see this. Oh my God.
You see all this pee?
You're going to get motherfucking hit by lightning right now.
I love it! See my butt?
No, it's dark.
You're looking at my butt. I peed on myself.
Your feet on the tree too.
But we're going to Bermuda.
Should I open the door? What? Why are you shushing? Here, let me do it.
Open the door then, Mary.
Oh my God.
Priscilla, let's fix it. I said, okay.
Fix what?
Mary, you're stuck here at the open door.
Because it was already open
This way.
full?
This
Oh.
way.
Oh, okay.
You know what the funny thing is? No matter how drunk anybody is, you'll always fucking get it.
Why are you checking your mail right now?
Because I'm taking the mail because I want my ID. Tiffany. Oh, please.